40% of people now walk into retirement still owing money on their house. So should you scramble to pay yours off before your last paycheck? By the end of this video, you'll have a clear rule for deciding in under 3 minutes. Start with the number almost nobody mentions. When you pay off a mortgage charging 6.5%, you earn a guaranteed 6.5% return, risk-free. In June 2026, the average 30-year mortgage rate is about 6.53%. Beating that safely in the market is hard. So paying it off is often a better deal than it looks. And this is a fast-growing problem. Over the last 30 years, the share of homeowners aged 65 to 79 carrying a mortgage jumped from 24% to 41%. The typical balance is now over $100,000, roughly $10,000 a year in payments eating into a fixed income. So pay it off right. Not so fast. Here's the other side. If your mortgage rate is low, say you locked in 2 or 3% a few years ago, that cheap debt is a gift. You could earn more leaving your money invested than you'd save paying it down. There's also the trap of going house rich and cash poor. Drain your savings to kill the mortgage, and one roof repair or medical bill forces you to borrow at a much higher rate. Your home equity doesn't pay the grocery bill. And taxes. Most retirees now take the standard deduction, so that mortgage interest write-off you counted on probably does nothing for you anymore. So here's the honest rule. Compare your mortgage rate to what you can safely earn. If your rate is high, like today's 6.5%, paying it down is one of the best guaranteed returns available. If it's low, keep it and stay liquid. Either way, never empty your emergency fund to do it. And there's a quieter benefit people undervalue. Walking into retirement with no house payment lowers the income you need every single month. For a lot of people, that feeling of security is worth more than the math. This is general information, not financial advice. Run your own numbers, ideally with a professional. Next, the single biggest money regret retirees admit to, and why most people make it without realizing. Don't miss the final episode.